Let's look at the unboxing of Genie Smart Home switches. So let me open the box. What you'll see here is the box is nicely packed with padded foam. Very useful for long distance shipping. And what you'll see is largely two pieces, right? So one is this box or this board which is supposed to go inside the wall, right? What you see here is the line and neutral wires, which are red and black, and these yellow wires are basically your output wires. This is where you will connect your lights, fan, etc. And then these wires are basically internal connections for the board. And these wires, the thin wires that you see, are supposed to go in this plate, right? So what you see here is this is your front touch panel. This panel is connected with your circuit in the wall through these wires, and these wires are very simple to connect, right? So you see that this wire is exactly matching in size with the sock slot here. So all you need to do is just push it in here and you're set, right? Similarly, these wires are again very closely connected here. So all you need to do is push it in here and you're set, right? And then this circuit goes inside the wall and this will stay in the front. Now let's see how you mount this plate on the wall, right? So let me remove these wires so that it's simpler to navigate. What you'll see here is that this plate in itself is made up of two layers, right? So, and these two layers are connected with magnetic plate here. So this plate which has the magnets actually gets mounted with screws on the wall, right? So this, you see the screw slots are there. So you can, and these are fairly standard screw slots. Any box that you buy in the market will be supported through these slots. So you mount these slots on the wall, screw them up. Once done, you can mount this plate onto this plate, which will be on the wall, and this will get flush connected, right? So you see it gets properly connected here, no gaps at all, and then this will remain on the wall, and this circuit goes behind in the box which is inside the wall. So that's how you connect and assemble your smart switches from Genie Smart Home. Any questions, do let us know. Get in touch with us over WhatsApp. We are happy to help. Thank you.